Hey, what's up? We're having a look at the new Samsung washer dryer combo washing machine 2021 model. Just doing a bit of unboxing for people who want to know what it comes out like or how it's delivered to you. It's just a simple, there's not much in terms of the box or anything. It's more like the plastic and the foam that will be covering the washing machine. So you're gonna probably need some cutters, because there's some zip ties on the side. These ties on the side, which you can just take out like that, just like I did. And if you push it long enough, it comes off. So all you got left now is this plastic holding all this together. You've got this foam on every corner holding the washing machine together. Enough protection for it. I'm gonna grab myself a razor blade and be really careful not to scratch the surface of the. So grab yourself a pair of box cutters or razor blade, and you can just cut through enough to access the washer. Should be good. Gonna need that again. So all you do when you've taken off that plastic, the top comes off. It's almost like a little lid. There we go. And you just put that to the side. What else is here? We've got these corner bits holding everything together. There'll be 4 of these. You might want to keep these in case you want to move the washing machine to a new house or something. Then you can have them handy and ready. So take those out. And from here you can already see what the screen's gonna look like. I'm not sure if you can see close enough. It shows you what the display's gonna be like. So all good. A bit loose, but I meant to let. When you open it, there'll be the 2 hoses, the hot and the cold, that you're going to use to connect to the water. And in that pack as well, there will be this wedge that you use to put your drain hose into the sink. So say your hose goes over the sink, that your hose goes in here and then just goes over the sink so that it doesn't fall out whenever it's washing, and you'll be good. Also in there, very, very important, you've got this little spanner that you're going to use to remove the transit bolts that are on the back of the washing machine. Always important to take them off whenever you buy a new washing machine, because they use that to stop this drum from rocking back and forth. If you don't take it out, this thing will jump around. It'll go for walkabout. So make sure you take off those transit bolts, and then your washing machine will be ready for use. Inside you'll also find the user manual that you can use to see what's going on and how to use this. And also very important to register your warranty with Samsung. So you've bought it, but you also need to register to say that this is my machine and I'm just registering my warranty. So this is the warranty card that you need to fill in and post, and then Samsung will be able to record your warranty on their website. You can do it on the website as well, but always good to do that. So we're gonna go right ahead and remove the transit bolts that came with this washing machine. The transit bolts, you'll find them on the back. So if you just turn it around, these are heavy. So just make sure you've got a second person helping you, or get them to remove them when they deliver it. On the back, there'll be 4 screws that you'll need to take off there. 4 bolts actually, which you'll need to take off using this. It's gonna be a bit of a long process, but always good To do it, maybe you might want to just take this out of the way so you can remove this. So if you do them anti-clockwise, it'll start coming out. This is something that a lot of people forget to do, and that will cost them their washing machine. So you want to make sure that you remove these. So there's 4 of them, 1 on each corner of the washing machine, and there's usually a black rubber grommet on it. And hey, I do post a lot of these videos on how to fix your washing machines, and also I post new ones like this one, new models and what they look like and the features that you can use, which will help you whenever you have to make a decision on when to buy a new washing machine, what you want to buy, what you're looking for. So it'll be handy to have me in your inbox. So make sure you hit that subscribe button or that like button so that more people can find this content and be able to make good buying decisions. Once you've got those off, then your washing machine is ready for use. In terms of connecting your hoses, the cold water hose, you got 2 hoses, you got the cold and the hot water. So the hot goes on the orange one, and it'll also say hot on there. So there's no way for you to be mixing them up. And the cold is the blue one, and it'll also say cold. Make sure you don't mix them up, because if you do mix them up, your clothes will start shrinking because it's just gonna be washing only on hot, and you need a new wardrobe. So you definitely want to avoid that unplanned shopping trip for new clothes. You also have your drainage hose, which is this bit. So your drain goes in the drain, and your water taps, and of course your electric cable to power. And then that's it, ready to start washing. That's about it. If you have any questions about this model, I will be posting new videos, more videos on the washing machine itself, how to use it, the functions and the benefits, and how to truly use a washer-dryer combo washing machine, because a lot of people tend to think that these things don't work properly when it is in fact user error or human being error, not being able to understand how they work. But we'll get more into that in the next video. So thanks for tuning in. I'll see you on the next one.